Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. As the new Zontes 703F is entering all countries around the globe, Zontes have sent out this advisory video regarding the first production run of the 703F motorbike, so please check your ride just to make sure the two nuts on the support bracket have been vibration-proofed by using Loctite on the nuts. This is important as the nuts in question are a support for the head bracket inside the fairing. This only pertains to a few bikes that first left the factory. Safety being Zontes' motto, they are not shy in informing owners of any information regarding their bikes. I will play the video again with Chinese spoken language after this initial video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the new content. If you could promote my channel through your social, it would be appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your help. There are over 2,000 Zontes videos for you to marvel over on my channel page, so please take a look and enjoy. Until next time, Mad Mick.
关于 ZT703F 头部支架安装螺丝点检升级视频教程。准备工具 T45 梅花扳手、扭力扳手、13号内六角套筒。方法一：如视频方式将方向把转向到最右侧。使用 T45 梅花扳手固定住螺栓头部，再使用扭力扳手加13号内六角套筒拆下，固定螺母。将螺母上的螺纹涂抹上少量螺纹胶，然后安装头部支架固定螺栓上。使用扭力扳手加13号内六角套筒打紧固定，扭力值设定为25.3牛米。使用同样方式将另外一颗仪表支架底座固定螺母拆下。将螺母上的螺纹涂抹上少量螺纹胶，然后安装回仪表支架底座固定螺栓上。使用扭力扳手加13号内六角套筒打紧固定，扭力值设定25.3牛米。